Hey everyone, so I've just got this inflatable hot tub and it's got a terrible insulation on the roof of it, on the lid. So I've got this 40mm sheets of foam board, two of them, and I cut them in half down lengthways so they would fit in my car, and three of them actually works out perfectly to fit the size of the hot tub. Use a nail in the center and trace around and you'll get a perfect circle. I find it works best to get a long knife, one of those extendable ones with the blades you can snap off, do a half depth cut and then go along a second time and push it all the way through to the concrete below, and then it will snap off nicely. Takes a bit of time, and I'm just nailing it on an oven tray because otherwise you put knee prints into the foam. Comes away pretty nicely there. Don't forget, of course, to duct tape it all together, top and bottom, so it holds there. Now I'm just vacuuming up the mess because this stuff will blow everywhere, all those little foam beads. It was kind of fun to watch them all spinning around in there as well. Next thing to do is tape up the sides so that those little foam beads don't keep coming off and blowing around your backyard. So I'm just going around it with some duct tape and then squishing it in at intervals, and so it makes nice routine little folds on itself. Then just flatten the sides down and it works pretty well. It takes a bit of time, but it's worth it in the end. Just got to squish them all down and you'll have a uniform wrapping of it. So I've finished cutting out and taping the top circle. Now I've just measured the inner circle, 1.3 meters. And I'm going to use all the leftovers and just make a double insulation, and it can kind of fit in that little gap. And then I'll have to figure out how to secure it because it is quite windy. Maybe use those clip-on straps somehow. Alright, it looks pretty crazy, but I've used all the leftovers. That's about it now. And we've covered everything except a little bit here and a little bit there. Kind of looks like a basketball now. And I still do have that full half a sheet left over, so that is awesome. Maybe I'll use that to insulate the pump box or something, the pipes going to and from it. Here it is. That's the only leftovers. Pretty efficient use. It really does look like a basketball now. But that'll sit inside. And that is the outside there. I'll go sit it on there and show you. And here we go. That'll fit right in there. Look at that. It looks like an Oreo sandwich. I reckon that is not bad. I'm gonna take a ratchet strap, two of them, take the clip off of here, put it on the strap, and it will just run across and clip into those same clips, one that way and one that way. And that should do it. Alright, thanks for watching, guys. I will have to see what kind of a difference this makes. Maybe turn the element off overnight and see the temperature drop, and then do it again without the lid and compare.